Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanti and in today's video we are unboxing the Look Fantastic March edition, which is the special edition box for March for International Women's Day, and it marks the celebration of all women around the world. If you don't know, Look Fantastic provides a beauty box monthly. You can sign up for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. The choice is yours. I will of course leave all the details down below so you can find out where you can buy the box, how much it is every month and all those sort of details. So as you can see from the box, this box is completely different from all the other monthly boxes. This one actually includes pictures of women from different races, different shapes, different sizes. So this shows us equality, diversity from all around the world, empowering every single woman in the world. And I think this is a absolutely beautiful concept, and I really like the colors of the box. So I really like the quote at the bottom, beauty beyond boundaries. It's literally like women. So women are unthinkable, unstoppable and so powerful. They mean and do and change so much things around in the world. I'm gonna dive straight into the box and show you exactly what's inside. I've put the cover of the box there so you can have a good look. We have the Beauty Box Edit, which is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine. What it looks like on the inside. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what's inside. So there's a few things upside down, so without tipping everything. Did well there, didn't I? So let's get onto the magazine. Okay, I see a really nice quote. So, everyone deserves to feel beautiful and your flaws do not define you. Just a quick flick through of what is inside. And like always, I like to dig out this sneak peek, which I'm going to show you. So in next month's box, we have another Avant product, which is worth £92. Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. The April box will throw you right into the thick of spring with products inside perfect to help you blossom. With this Restoring Overnight Serum, it's formulated to support your skin when it's most susceptible to treatment. This overnight facial serum helps hydrate the skin and combat signs of stress and fatigue. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful appearance with regular use. So hopefully you can see that's what we will all be getting in next month's edition. So the first product that I'm going to pull out is, in no particular order, is the Bloom and Blossom. Then we've got the Bloom and Blossom Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. It's a versatile skin-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, or have a little one in need of an extra soothing, then this natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition, and treat even the most delicate skin. The next product I'm going to pull out is the Lottie London AM to PM. Next up, we have the Lottie London AM to PM Retractable Eyeliner. This is in the shade Black, and that's what the point looks like. And it's really good because you don't have to sharpen them. And see, that's quite nice. No one does love hearts, do they? So it's good because it doesn't smudge away. Wee. So smudge proof, hey? It's quite good. The third product I've got is the Kristoff Robin hair mask, I think it is. So if you remember, I think this was the sneak peek that we got in the magazine last month for this month's edition. Does that make sense? Yeah, this month's edition box. Hold on a minute. Just want to smell this. Oh, that smells very nice. Then we've got the Kristoff Robin hair mask. And this is a revitalizing hair treatment perfect for dry and damaged hair. Full of antioxidants and regenerative properties, penetrate your hair and scalp. So it protects your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating colored hair by restoring pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. The next product we're going to pull out is the Ahava mud soap. And this is a purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and the body. It's formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin. The next product we're going to pull out is the Polar Cream. We have the Polar IceSource Moisturising Cream. And this is a cooling treatment which leaves your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. It combines 3 active ingredients, and this face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also revitalize your senses. And then the next product, second to last, we've got this Brushworks double-ended eyebrow brush. I think we got something similar in the past box. So then we have the Brushworks double-ended brow brush. So there's 2 brushes to this. There's the angled brush, which works well with both cream and powder products, whilst the spoolie end is a great way to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered brow look. So very handy. And the last product we've got inside is the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. The Coconut Water Cream. So this is a lightweight, fast absorbing facial moisturizer that will infuse your skin with electrolytes, amino acids, and phytonutrients to refresh your complexion and restore its radiant glow. So in this month's box, we have 1 variation. So instead of the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream, so you'll either get the one that I've just showed you, or you will get the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Yep, and I think there's 10 pads inside. So if you can see there. That brings us to the end of the box. Let me know what your thoughts are on this month's box. Leave them in the comments down below. Overall, I think it's varied. I do like it, a bit of a yes and a no. Love the fact that they've covered all areas. So they've got your skincare, hair care, makeup, and they've even thrown in a tool for you. So in that sense, I think it's absolutely fantastic. I don't know, some products are a bit repetitive. So yeah, that's my thoughts. I thought it was a bit of a, it was alright. It wasn't amazing and it wasn't a complete letdown. I think it covered all areas, which is very nice. Also, I'm very excited about the sneak peek product we're going to get in next month's box. So that's it. So if you have loved this video, don't forget to share the love, click the like button down below, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time with another video. So in the meantime, stay safe and take care and stay positive. Bye.